In my previous video, I have discussed about isomorphism and properties of isomorphism with some example. And today I will discuss about isomorphism theorem. Isomorphism theorem states three things. I have discussed in my previous video, if F be a homeomorphism from G to G prime, then kernel of F is a normal subgroup of G. And kernel of F set of all symmetry that gets mapped to identity in the group G prime. So, since kernel is a normal subgroup, so kernel is same all perspective of the group. Okay? And image is a subgroup of G prime. That means whole group G maps to image. Okay? And third, since kernel of F is a normal subgroup of G, then we can define a quotient group G mod car F, which is isomorphic to image of F. So we can tell G mod car F, that means this car F and the all coset of the kernel of F isomorphic to image of F, and this is the first isomorphism theorem. Are you getting? And the statement of the theorem is F be homeomorphism from G to G dash. Then we create a factor group G mod car F, and there exists a mapping, new mapping F bar from G mod car F to image of this group Fg, which is isomorphism. That means these two groups are isomorphic to each other, such that F bar G car F equal to Fg, where for all G in capital G, that means G mod car F is isomorphic to image Fg. Okay. Let's see one example. F be a mapping from Z to Z5, and which is defined as f of x equal to x mod phi. We all of us know this is example of homeomorphism, and also we all of us know kernel of F equal to cyclic subgroup generated by phi, because we all of us know kernel of Zn is nz. So here n equal to phi. Then what would be G mod car F? G mod car F contains the element cyclic subgroup generated by phi, 1 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi, 2 plus cyclic subgroup generated phi, 3 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi, and 4 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi. All this element contains G mod car F. Okay? Then we can construct a map F bar from Z mod car F to Z5, such that F bar, the cyclic subgroup generated by phi, equal to same as f of 0, which is equal to 0 by this construction. Similarly, F bar 1 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi equal to f of 1, which is equal to 1 by construction of this mapping, and F bar 2 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi equal to f of 2, which is similar to 2. F bar 3 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi equal to f of 3, which is equal to 3. And last, F bar 4 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi equal to f of 4, which is equal to 4. If I tell you what would be F bar 11 plus cyclic subgroup generated by phi, this is actually same as f of 11, and by construction of this mapping, this is equal to 1. That means in this mapping, only this element from this are distinct element. After this, the element will be just repeated. Okay? Are you getting? And diagram is, there exists a homeomorphism G2, image of G, and this mapping is denoted as F, and image of G subset and equal to G prime. Then there exists a projection G2, G mod kernel of F, and this projection is denoted as pi. Then we can define a unique isomorphism G mod kernel of F2, image of G, and this isomorphism is denoted as F bar. And we can go either this way or this way. Okay? Let's do one example. Zx. We all of us know Zx is set of all polynomial with coefficient integer. That means a0 plus a1x up to nx to the power n, where a0, a1, an be the member of integer. I have defined a homeomorphism Zx to Z such that P maps to P0. That means here P0 means only the constant term, which is always same equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on. Okay? At first, construct a projection pi Zx to G mod k. What is the kernel of F? Kernel of F equal to set of all polynomial belongs to Zx such that P0 equal to 0. And what would be this set? This set would be a0 equal to 0. Okay? Here the G mod car F equal to Zx mod car F, which is same as the set contain the constant coefficient minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on. And 0 here, of course 0 is the kernel. Then we can define a isomorphism from Zx mod car F to Z. The mapping is look like F bar from Zx mod car F to Z such that AI means equivalent class of A maps to AI. Okay? Are you getting? And this is always an isomorphism, because this is homeomorphism and one onto both. Let's see one more example. If G is a cyclic group of order n, then there exists an integer n such that G is isomorphic to Z mod nz. Okay? In my previous video, I have seen if G is a cyclic group of order n, then G is isomorphic to Zn. But Zn is isomorphic to Z mod nz. So we can tell G is isomorphic to Z mod nz. And this is the diagram. Are you getting? Okay. And let's see the proof. Since G is a cyclic group, let A be generator of capital G. Then consider capital G equal to e to the power n such that n be the member of Z. And consider the function f from Z to G. Look the diagram again. Okay? By f of n equal to e to the power n. I have seen in my earlier video, this mapping is always group homomorphism and F is onto because capital G is generated by A. And third, we all of us know kernel of F is a subgroup of Z and subgroup of Z is look like NZ. So kernel of F equal to NZ. Now we have a group homomorphism such that F is onto image of F equal to G and kernel of F equal to NZ. Okay. Then by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell Z mod kernel of F isomorphic to image of F. Since here the kernel of F equal to NZ, so we can tell Z mod NZ is isomorphic to the group G because here the group is onto, so image is whole G. Are you getting? Well, let's see more example. Sister, non-zero complex number with multiplication and R plus positive real number with multiplication. Consider a function f from sister to R plus. Here Z map to absolute value of Z, where Z be the member of complex number, that means a plus ib map to square root of a square plus b square. Okay, where a and b belongs to real number. What is kernel of F? Just think. Car F equal to set of all those complex number such that absolute value of Z equal to 1, and this is actually S1. Just think, this is the complex plane and this is the real number and this is complex number. Unit circle around the origin will be the kernel of A, which is denoted as S1. Are you getting? Kernel of A? Okay. Now my question, what would be image of A? If R is any positive real number, then absolute value of R always equal to R. Okay. So F is onto. Then by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell C star mod S1 isomorphic to R plus. Are you getting? This is actually left coset of S1 in sister. Actually this means what? Sister mod S1 means ZS1 such that Z be the member of sister. Okay? Are you getting? And this is set of all left coset of S1 in sister. Okay? This means you have a radius 1 circle, radius 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, etc. And radius always will be positive real number. So coset are actually all circle with positive radius. So this is isomorphic to R plus. Okay? Well, and this example I have discussed in my previous video elaborately with some few pictures. At first I recommended you, please see my previous video. Then today's video would be so easy. Let's see other example. FBA mapping from real number under addition to complex number under multiplication. And the mapping is defined as fx equal to e to the power 2 pi ix. That means this implies cos 2 pi x plus I sin 2 pi x. Okay. What would be the kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to set of all x in real number under addition such that e to the power 2 pi I x equal to 1. And from this line we can tell cos 2 pi x equal to 1 and sin 2 pi x equal to 0. Are you getting? And this relation also will be satisfied for all x be the member of integer. And what would be image of f? Just think. Set of all z in complex number under multiplication such that modulus of z equal to 1. That means set of all unit circle because the mapping is e to the power 2 pi x. Are you getting? This mapping we all of us know. And this image always denoted as S1. So by first isomorphism theorem we can tell R mod z equal to, because here the kernel of f equal to whole z, isomorphic to S1 means unit circle. Okay, and this is the subgroup of complex number under multiplication. I have seen in my previous video this example f from permutation group Sn to Z2 such that f of sigma equal to 0 when sigma is even and f of sigma equal to 1 when sigma is odd. I have seen this is always homeomorphism. What would be kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to set of all permutation such that sigma is even and this is equal to a. And this mapping is always on true if I take any arbitrary permutation. Consider f of 1 3. What would be? Since this is odd permutation, this is always equal to 1. That means we can create all permutation by Z2. So by first isomorphism theorem we can tell first isomorphism theorem we can tell Sn mod An always isomorphic to Z2. Okay. Now let's see some more interesting example. FBA mapping from integer under addition to all multiplicative group of non-zero real number under multiplication. Here we can take f of 1 equal to 1. Okay. By these rules, after multiplying, I will get f of n equal to 1 to the power n. And this is my considering mapping. Here I am doing just multiplication. If I consider this map, then what would be kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to 1. F of n equal to 1 to the power n. This is actually set of all integer. Are you getting? And set of all integer here maps to 1. That means image of f is only 1. So by first isomorphism theorem we can tell Z mod Z isomorphic to 1 which is subgroup of set of all real number non-zero real number under multiplication. Okay? Now, if you consider f of 1 equal to minus 1, then that implies the mapping would be f of n equal to minus 1 to the power n. Are you getting this mapping? Well, then what would be the kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to, notice, 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4, so on. That means this is nothing but only 2z. Then by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell z mod 2z isomorphic to what? What would be the image? Only 1 and minus 1. Isomorphic to 1 and minus 1, which is also subgroup of non-zero real number under multiplication. Okay? Now if you consider f of 1 equal to a such that, then that imply f of n equal to a to the power n, where a belongs to non-zero real number omitted with 1 and minus 1. Then what would be the kernel of f? Only a to the power 0 equal to 1. That means kernel of f only 0. Therefore, we can tell by first isomorphism theorem, this is actually isomorphic to a to the power n, where n belongs to integer, and this is also subgroup of set of all non-zero real number under multiplication. Okay? Are you getting this mapping? This is very interesting. Let's consider other more example. FBA mapping from integer under addition to non-zero complex number under multiplication. Okay? And the defined mapping is f of m equal to e to the power 2 pi I m over n, where m be member of integer. What would be the kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to set of all m in Z such that e to the power 2 pi I m over n equal to 1. Are you getting? From this line, we can tell, since e to the power 2 pi m over n equal to 1, so cos 2 pi m over n equal to 1 and sin 2 pi m over n equal to 0. From this line, it also implies n divide m. That means m equal to n times k, where k be any integer. So, what would be kernel of f? What would be m? This is just n times z. That means all multiple of z is the member of kernel of f. So, by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell z mod nz is isomorphic to the subgroup which contain 1 omega omega square up to omega to the power n minus 1, and this is equal to actually the cyclic subgroup generated by omega, which is isomorphic to Zn, and this is the subgroup of non-zero complex number under multiplication. Are you getting this mapping? Well, consider other interesting example. FBA mapping from non-zero real number under multiplication to non-zero real number under multiplication. And the mapping is f of x equal to absolute value of x. And we all of us know kernel of f equal to 1 and minus 1. Here, since 1 and minus 1 be the member of kernel, so 1 and minus 1 maps to 1 in the codomain, because here the identity is only 1. And other coset, if you multiply 2 in the kernel of f, then other coset would be 2 minus 2, which is mapped to under absolute function to pi minus pi, since the mod, so it also mapped to pi. 3 minus 3, if we multiply 3 with kernel, then it maps to 3, so on. Okay, and what would be R star mod 1 minus 1? Just think. This would be, since here 1 and minus 1 both be the kernel, so consider this is equal to k. So this is k, which maps to identity of the codomain. Other coset 2 and minus 2, since here k belongs to both 1 and minus k, so this is k. Other would be 2k, then 3k, which maps to, sorry, here pi k, which maps to pi, then 3k, which maps to 3, here pi, here maps to 2, so on. Are you getting this mapping? This is the quotient group R star mod k. Okay, and this is actually isomorphic to what? 1, 2, pi, 3. That means this is actually set of all positive real number under multiplication. So we can tell by first isomorphism theorem, R star mod 1 minus 1 isomorphic to R positive real number R, positive, all positive real number under multiplication, which is subgroup of all positive real all real number under multiplication. I have seen in my previous video non-zero real number under addition isomorphic to set of all positive real number under multiplication. Now verify it by first isomorphism theorem, and the defined mapping is f of x equal to e to the power x, where x be real number. Okay, what would be kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to set of all x in real number such that e to the power x equal to 1, and at the value only 0, the value would be 1. So kernel of f contain only singleton set 0, and this mapping is always onto. This mapping is always set of all positive real number under multiplication. Let's consider y be arbitrary element set of positive real number under multiplication. Then x would be log e base y. What would be f of log e base y? This is e to the power log e base y, which is equal to y. That means this mapping is always onto. So by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell R under addition always isomorphic to set of all positive real number under multiplication. Okay, well, let's notice another example. F be a mapping from integer under addition to multiplicative group of non-zero complex number, and the mapping is defined as f of n equal to I to the power n. What would be kernel of f? Kernel of f equal to set of all n be the member of integer such that I to the power n equal to 1, and this value is similar to 4z, and the image would be, just think, image of f equal to set containing 1, I, minus I and minus 1. Okay, and this is the cyclic subgroup generated by I. So by first isomorphism theorem we can tell Z mod 4Z is isomorphic to cyclic subgroup generated by I, and who is subgroup of C star under multiplication. Are you getting this? Now let's see one example, and this type of example which is very important for any comparative exam. Let's see what is the example. Prove that there is no injective homeomorphism F from Z15 to Z20. I will prove by contradiction. Assume F is 1, 1. Okay? If such F exists, then by first isomorphism theorem, we can tell Z15 mod, since here F is 1, 1, so kernel would be only set containing identity. Are you getting? And by first isomorphism theorem, this is actually isomorphic to FZ15. Okay? And remember, image of a homeomorphism always subgroup of codomain. So this is subgroup of Z20. Now by Lagrange's theorem, we all of us know order of FZ15 always divide the order of the group here, order of codomain 20, but 15 does not divide 20. So our assumption is wrong. F cannot be 1, 1. So there is no injective homeomorphism from Z15 to Z20. Okay? Are you getting? Now let's verify. Is there exist 1, 1 homeomorphism from F from Z10 under addition to C star under multiplication? Here C star is non-zero complex number. Since 1, 1, so kernel F always would be singleton set containing 0. Then first isomorphism theorem, it would be Z10 mod singleton set 0 isomorphic to FZ10, who is always subgroup of C star under multiplication. And in C star under multiplication, there exists always a cyclic subgroup of order 10. And this is actually the set containing 10 root of unity. So this homeomorphism, this on-on homeomorphism, always possible. Okay? Alright. But if you consider the mapping F from Z10 under addition to non-zero real number under multiplication, is this function is 1, 1? Since 1, 1, so kernel of F always singleton set 0. Then Z10 mod singleton set 0 isomorphic to FZ10, who is obviously subgroup of R star under multiplication. But in R star, there exists no cyclic group of order 10. So this homeomorphism, this 1, 1 homeomorphism cannot possible. Are you getting? This is very important for any comparative exam. Well.